Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add watermark on Instagram Reels. So unfortunately, Instagram doesn't offer a built-in feature to directly add watermarks to Reels. However, there are a few creative workarounds and third-party tools that you can use to have that watermark. So first, you can just add a text watermark within the Instagram. So let's just open the Instagram app, and then here click on this plus icon to start creating reel. Now you can click on this reel tab in here, click on the reel and choose the reels that you want to create. For example, I'm going to use these videos right here. Now you can click on this AA to add the text and watermark. So here you can just write your usernames, or maybe a copyright notice in here. For example, I'm going to just write like this. You can choose the phone that you want. There's classic, signature, editor, poster, bubble, deco. So I'm going to choose this deco in here. I'm going to put the text here in the middle. Just this, and now you can just tap on next. So this is the video. This is how your videos will look like. You can also choose the cover. Okay, I'm going to go with this, and here you can see the watermark is at the center. So to be considered, if you want to add a watermark, you need to place your watermark in a prominent positions that's difficult to crop or remove, just like this in the middle, and ensure that the watermark is clear and readable even on smaller screens, and choose a watermark style that complements your content and doesn't distract from the main focus. So be aware that Instagram algorithms and compression might affect the visibility of your watermark. So if you don't want to use this text on Instagram, you can also use a third-party apps like CapCut, InShot, or Adobe Premiere to add the watermark. Or you can also use online marketing tool, watermarking tools. And so that's all from me. That's how you can add watermark to Reels. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.